Tired of manually responding to every message on your Facebook page? Let's unlock the power of automated engagement by connecting Manychat. First, head over to your Manychat dashboard, find and click on the Add New Page button. It's usually prominently displayed to guide new users. Now, you'll see a list of all the Facebook pages you manage. Select the page you want to connect to Manychat. Make sure you had admin access to the page. Facebook will now ask you to grant Manychat the necessary permissions. Click Continue as your profile and carefully review each permission request. Granting these permissions is crucial for Manychat to work correctly. Once you've granted the permissions, you'll be redirected back to Manychat, and voila! Your Facebook page is now successfully connected. You should see a confirmation message and your page listed in your dashboard. Now you can start building automated welcome messages, set up keyword triggers, and create engaging flows to nurture your audience. Explore Manychat's powerful features to take your Facebook marketing to the next level.